Hello, everyone. Welcome to the video series dedicated to the high-level overview of the textbook that is called Blueprint Reading Construction Drawing for the Building Trades. So in this video, we are going to review Chapter 1, and total there are 12 chapters. So there are going to be 12 videos in this series. So chapter 1 is blueprint standards, and let's just dive deeper into this section, into this chapter. So as far as the blueprints, what is the blueprints? You may also hear blueprints referred to as drawings, prints, or plans, and that is the construction documents, the graphical representation of the design. So blueprints were designed to substitute for the hand-drawn drawings, and they were technical documentation of an object, architecture, or engineering design. And that was invented by John Herschel, a chemist, astronomer, and photographer in 1842. So there was a special cyanotype process that started with a drawing and on semi-transparent paper weighted down on top of a sheet of paper. Up to these days, it's called blueprints, although now it's just black ink on the white paper. So blueprints are a critical form of communication between the construction trades, and that is part of the construction documents. Another one is specifications, and we'll talk about them later in this course. So blueprints were developed to make the construction, engineering, and architectural industry a little easier and faster. Then the blueprints started to get copied, and those were the photocopy process. It was similar to Xerox or other copying machines, although that was a little bit less advanced. Then the photographic reproduction was used to produce a copy of the drawing, um, such as microfilms and other things. And please refer to the book, go there, check all the drawings, all the images and graphics there, because there's so much information. This is just the overview. This is just to get you familiar with the whole thing. So then the computer-aided design and drafting was invented in 1980s. And that was a very big step in the industry. So drawings started to be produced on the computer, and then they can be multiplied, and then the 3D graphical representation was invented, such as Revit. So you can actually design a building on the computer and then have multiple variations of plans, elevations, sections, details, and other things. So there are a few dimensions that are used for the drawings. So the American National Standards Institute recommends sheet sizes. So the architectural sizes are architectural A, and the dimensions are 9 by 12 inches. Then architectural B or Arc B, 12 by 18, Arc C, 18 by 24, Arc D, 24 by 36, and Arc E, 36 by 48. And of course, there are other types such as letter, 8.5 by 11, legal, 8.5 by 14, then statement 5 by 8.5. Also, there are metric standards, and those who work outside of the US use the metric system in meters and centimeters. And definitely there are different types of paper, such as A0, which is 33.1 by 46.8 inches, then A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So those are the metric sheet sizes. And please go back to the book. You will find more information on that. And actually, that concludes chapter 1. I will see you in chapter 2. Thank you.